In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your fuel injector. It is located underneath this cover. But before we start, I want to mention that you always want to install new O-rings. Your injector should come with O-rings, but just so you know, always use new O-rings when you remove and replace or reinstall an injector. With a 10mm socket, remove these two bolts that hold this cover down. Remove the cover. Now with the cover off, if you look closely, you can see the fuel rail as well as all of the fuel injectors. It's the same process to replace any or all of them, so I'm only going to show you one, which is going to be this closer one right here. So let's get a 12mm socket and unbolt the fuel rail from the intake so we can lift it up and pop that fuel injector out. Remove this one all the way. And if you follow the fuel rail, you'll see that one in the back over there. This one you can just loosen. You don't have to remove all the way. Should be good. I'll adjust if needed. Before we go any further, I'm going to take some compressed air and blow around all of the injectors so that I can remove any debris that's stuck there so it doesn't fall down into the hole. Now I'm going to unplug the injector that I'm replacing. Set the harness aside. At this point, keep in mind when you pop this off, there will be fuel that comes out. Wiggle the fuel rail as you pull up at the same time. Because this is aluminum, you can help it along with a little pry bar here. There we go. I'm also going to pop off this locking ring here that secures the injector. There it is. Save it. Continue prying up. Now, once it's far enough out of the way, you can get this injector out of here. Just give it a couple twists, pull it down. There we go, fuel's gonna come out. And here's your fuel injector. Now let's get the fuel injector installed. I'm gonna spray it down with some carb cleaner, or you can use brake parts cleaner. That will be the best thing that you can do to get this to slide back in. Press it into the fuel rail all the way. And if you can't press it all the way yet, just go ahead and spray it down, line up the fuel rail, and then as you press it down, it will kind of automatically situate the injector in there, and you'll know if it's not fully seated because that little clamp will not line up to lock it onto the fuel rail. So it looks to me like everything is perfectly situated. I'm gonna put my clamp on, line everything up, press the fuel rail down. Now that everything is secured, let's bolt it up. Let's tighten the rear one back up. Nice and snug. Nice and snug. Plug in the injector. Now you can go ahead and turn on your engine to make sure there are no fuel leaks, and then we can continue. Now let's get the cover on. It has two rubber grommets that it needs to slide into. Put on the mounting bolts and snug them up. All right, take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.